All right, grab that mug that you made yesterday or the day before. Check it out. If the walls are stiff and not flexible, you're ready to trim it. This is our trimming wheel right here. If you hold the bottom of it stationary and then turn the top, it'll spin those that chuck or those feet tighter or looser. So hold the bottom, turn it to the clockwise, and you'll tighten your piece right up on there. Go ahead and grab this potato peeler and get after it. Right now we have extra weight, extra clay on the bottom of that mug, and your job is to just start shaving it away. I usually hold my left hand on the top just to kind of get me some bearings. I always hold the tool under my hand, never like a pencil, because I want to have a real firm grip on it. The walls at the bottom of your mug are thicker. We want to just trim away as much as we can to make the walls uniformly thin to match the top of the mug. And then we want to make a rim, a foot. So we're going to kind of establish where the foot rim is, and then we're going to get rid of some of the clay inside of that. When it dries, it's going to have a better chance of drying flat without curving. Just get rid of some of that clay. Remember not to go through. Once you've established that rim and removed some clay inside of it, initial it. At this point we're not done because it's a mug. Wrap it up in plastic. We'll put a handle on it tomorrow. Now grab that bowl that you made yesterday or the day before. Make sure that the walls are very stiff. If you can bend them with your thumb, it's not ready to trim. In this case, we're going to remove those legs. We're going to spin the trimmer out, and we're going to just turn those 3 feet around. We want the little pads to grab the top lip of your bowl right there. Put your bowl on upside down. Hold the bottom of the trimmer and then move the top of the trimmer so that it's nice and tight. Again, firm grasp on that potato peeler. Get rid of all that extra clay. Kind of be aware of how thick the walls are and trying to make them uniform so that the wall is the same thickness all the way from the bottom up to the rim. We'll establish a flat foot space, and then we'll grab our other foot trimmer and we'll figure out where the outside of the foot is going to be, and then we'll identify a spot for the inside of the foot. Now we're just going to do some delicate work of removing some of the inside clay. Remember not to go through. And then we're going to kind of determine what the outside of that foot is going to look like on this bowl. Think about all the clay that was there before. It was just adding extra weight, extra density to the bottom of that bowl that we did not need. This is going to make it look cleaner and feel a lot lighter. We have the foot established there. Just make sure it's flat on the surface so that when you set it down on the table it will be nice and solid. And then look at that outside silhouette or line that you're creating, the outside of the bowl. Sometimes I'll just go and I'll kind of just look from the side and see what kind of a curve we're created. Once it's done, initial it, and then because it's a bowl, we're all ready. Put it on the shelf by the kiln, ready to fire.